Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jade. So this is a tutorial using CurlFormers and products from the Doux. If you're interested in how I got these beautiful side swept curls, then keep on watching. So I'm starting on old hair. This is a steamroller set that I just combed out and brushed out. As you can see, my hair is still very fluffy. It's not weighed down with product, and that is really because of the way that I did my steamroller set. So if you're interested in that tutorial, I will leave the link below. But that is what we're starting on. So to begin for this style, you want to make a part on the side of your head. And what I usually do to make sure that the part is in the right spot is before I even put the part all the way down my head, I just kind of look in the mirror to make sure that it's lined up properly, that it's not too far to the left or too far to the right, that it's just really in a good spot for the curls to fall. And then once I complete the part, I take that section that I'm going to be braiding and just pull it to the side and give it one more check, because once the braid is there, then you're kind of stuck. So you just want to make sure that you get the part in the right place. So after combing and detangling, I'm using the Afro Bonito Balm as a moisturizer, but I'm only using it on this section. You guys know I'm not really big on using edge control a lot, so this product is really good for just laying down my hair. So after I've moisturized it, then I go ahead and braid it up. Now if you don't know how to cornrow, then this can be anything you want it to be. It can be a braid, it can be a flat twist, it can be a regular twist, whatever works with your skill level. But then you just secure it with a ponytail holder. And I didn't mean to braid it all the way to the end, so I'm just undoing the braid because that is going to be curled. So this is what my hair is looking like after I have installed all the CurlFormers, and that's what I meant by I am curling the end of the braid. I just put some CurlFormers there, which I later realized that I should have put a little bit more because the curls weren't as defined in that section. But you're going to take small to medium sections using the Mousse Def. It's a foaming mousse, and I'm taking about a pump and a half for each section. And then I am installing the CurlFormer. Now this is not a CurlFormer tutorial. This is more of just like a hairstyle tutorial. So I'm not really breaking down how to install the CurlFormers. But if you want a tutorial, like a step-by-step on how to put in CurlFormers, then I can definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments below. But this is more so for people that know how to use CurlFormers. So I use the Mousse Def on each section, comb it out, install the CurlFormer, and I do that all the way around until I've completed the whole head. I love how easy it was to use this product, especially because my hair is dry. Usually a mousse product doesn't exactly glide through the hair as easily on dry hair, but this was super easy to use, and you'll see from the results that it gave bomb results. So here I am. I let this air dry for about 4 hours. I did not sit under the dryer. I just let it air dry. Being that it was on dry hair, it didn't need a long time, and this mousse does a great job with drying the hair quickly. So here we are 4 hours later, and I am just pulling out the CurlFormers. I know y'all see that shine. I know y'all see that definition. Like, I have done CurlFormers before on dry hair with a mousse, but the results were not like this. I am so impressed with how the Mousse Def product was able to just give me a really shiny, defined set without my curls being crunchy or weighed down. As you can see back there, that's where I meant that I should have put another CurlFormer. But the shine, the bounce, the definition, shaping up to be a really good CurlFormer set. So moving on to separating curl formers or any curls, this is really, really important. So what I usually do to make sure I'm twirling it the right way is to look at the direction that the curl is already formed, so that when I separate it and I twist it around my finger, I'm twisting it in the direction that the curl is going. If you twist it the other way, you have already kind of messed up your set, you've messed up the curl. So you really want to pay attention to the way that you twirl the curl around your finger. That's why with curl formers, it really helps to keep the colors like in the same section, so that you know that you're just twisting that section the same way each time. So separating was really easy. Like I said, it wasn't crunchy. I didn't have to break the crunch or anything like that. And like I said though, separation is key to making sure that your style comes out correctly. So this is after I had separated all the curls. I have not fluffed, but I used the Doux the Light, which is a multi-purpose product. You can use it as a heat protectant, you can use it to add shine, to add softness, to help retain moisture. In this case, I'm using it as a finishing spray just to kind of finish off the style, lock in that moisture, and here are the final results. So I am so impressed with this curl former set, y'all. I have done curl formers so many times over the years, but I have to say this is probably like my best set. It's so shiny, so soft, but this holds so well. Like I kept this style in for about 6 days after I did it, and it still looked good. It was just time to wash my hair, but I am so hyped. These products are definitely something that you want to add to your product stash. Like you gotta have it. You got to have it. So this is my nighttime routine, how I was able to preserve this set for 6 days or more if I wanted to. But I pretty much just take a very loose scrunchie, put all the hair like in a ponytail, put my scarf on, and then my bonnet follows. You don't necessarily have to use the scrunchie, but I do just to make sure all the hair is kind of gathered up into one spot. But that is pretty much it. I want to thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions about the style or about the Doux products, then make sure you leave me a comment below. But subscribe and share this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.